Good evening. I know this is like so not the sexy librarian look you were looking for, but I'm gonna be real with you. I have been very emotional lately. And so with that said, this is your sign for tonight. The sign for cry. It's not a fun one, but it's a really solid emotion. It's cry. Cry. Think of like teardrops don't falling down your face, okay? Cry. I hope none of you ever cry, but I believe in beautiful comings from the pain that is felt from crying, so may that be your blessing as well. Have a great weekend.